Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I am making a St. Patty's Day tumbler, but with a little bit of a twist. So let's jump right in. I'm starting with a 20-ounce stainless tumbler from the Stainless Depot company, and this leopard print vinyl. It's a scrap of a piece that I have, and it fit perfectly around. So I am going to cut off a little bit of the backing, put it back on, and then place it in the center of my tumbler. Once I'm sure that it's all lined up, I remove that backing and lay down the vinyl to anchor it. And before I go any further, I'm going to cut off this little white border just to save myself some hassle a little later. And then I'm going to go ahead and squeegee the rest of the vinyl on. And then I will use some tape, painter's tape, to completely go around the top of the tumbler. And I tape up the bottom as well. This is just going to protect our vinyl with the next step. So hindsight, just to be transparent, I would have skipped this step completely. I did not like how it turned out. But I'm taking Tack it over and over, and I'm going to put that all over the bottom, but not the very bottom because you're not going to see it. And then up at the top as well. Once I get this done, I will take my heat gun to hurry up and dry it. I'm showing you guys in real time how quickly this dries using the heat gun. And now I'm going in with a second coat, and then I will let this dry. Once that dries, I am mixing, I show you 3 glitters, but I only use 2. I use the Pistachio by the Glitter Heart Co. and Cash Money by the Glitter Guy. Now that that's all mixed up, I go ahead and sprinkle it all over the exposed stainless. Now, doing the tack it method, you rub that glitter to lay it flat. And it was at this point I started realizing that I hated it. Absolutely hated it. So I go ahead and still continue to rub it down, just so that there's the same consistency all the way around. And once that's done, I look at it again and realize I absolutely hate this and it is not what I was wanting at all. So I take Mod Podge and go completely over what I just did, and then I will use Cash Money, the darker of the greens, just to sprinkle on it, and I liked this so much better. This was the color that I was really wanting. So then I go ahead and remove the tape, and then I'll let this sit off to dry, and I will spray seal this 2 times with Rustoleum clear coat and epoxy twice. Once that's dry, I had cut out stencils out of white Oracle 631 removable vinyl, and I'm placing the shamrock. I got this from Creative Fabrica. Make sure you check out my link in the description box below. And I put that down and then remove the transfer tape. And then I go ahead and flip the tumbler on its side. And I had gotten this Sassy Lassie decal from Creative Fabrica as well. And put that on the side of the tumbler, making sure that it's as even as possible in the middle. Remove that transfer tape. And originally I had cut out this intricate design to go at the top and the bottom, and it was just way too intricate and small. So I scrapped that and then went and cut out shamrocks instead to go around the top and the bottom. So I go ahead and place that around and make sure it's exactly where I want it. And then I will secure it with some tape, just so that I know that it doesn't move before removing the backing and placing this down onto my tumbler. And I do the same thing at the bottom as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this out and spray paint this with copper. And I believe I got this paint at Ace Hardware. But it's a pretty copper metallic, although I didn't want metallic. So I'm going back in with my Tack It over and over. And I'm going to put this all over the tumbler. Now I only do one coat of this. And then I let this completely dry, of course, using my heat gun because I'm impatient. And since I didn't want copper, I wanted gold. I'm going to use gold mica powder. This is crude gold. Everything that I use is in the description box below. So I'm just going to pretty much dump this onto the tumbler. And then with a gloved hand, spread it all around. Using a chip brush, I'm just going to go ahead and brush away all the excess mica. And finally remove all of the removable vinyl. And the center portion is going to show the leopard print. I keep wanting to say cheetah, but leopard print. And this is kind of where the sassy comes in. And the lassie would be for the shamrocks. And I think this is so cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray this with Rustoleum clear coat just to seal in that mica powder, and then give it a coat of epoxy. Once that is dry, it's time to add my offset or outlines, whichever. So I cut this out in dark green vinyl, and going to line it up and then remove that backing and squeegee it down. And I do this for the shamrock also. And I do not do it for the shamrocks at the top and the bottom. And finally, I will seal this with the CC DIY Quick Coat so my vinyl don't lift. Give it 2 final coats of epoxy, and this is done. I think it's so stinking cute, and the sassy lassie is just adorable. But yeah, this will be available on the website for purchase if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.